Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I will be picking up my little kitten. So I have been waiting for a whole month since I gave the deposit. I'm gonna go and draw money now from the bank and I'm gonna go and collect him. So the kitten is in a cattery in Brixton and it's about 40-50 minutes from my house. I will be going down the journey. Obviously we'll have to be social distancing and stuff, but yeah, I'm looking so forward to this meeting. I can't wait to cuddle my little kitten. The kitten is a Scottish Fold, so it's a bit expensive, but my friend has a kitten from the same cattery, so the breeder gave me a little discount so I can afford him. And because normally these kittens go from like 1,300 and up. I'm gonna show you my outfit now and let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like my more neutral outfit? By the way, look at this. This is horrible. Like, we've been waiting 6 months for the landlady to send us someone to fix it and we still don't have anyone. So I'm so ashamed for my flat right now. But yeah, look at the outfit. So this is my outfit for picking up Kovi. So the name of my kitten will be Kovi, as in COVID-19, but with a K, so it's gonna be Kovi, so Kovi. And yeah, I got him a few things, so let me show you what I got him. So this is his food bowl and his water bowl. I also got him this litter box. This is a smaller one. The previous one was massive. It was the biggest litter box I've ever seen. I returned it because it's made to fit 5 big cats, and I didn't read that when I was ordering it, and on the pictures it looks quite small. It looks the same as the one that I just showed you. So yeah, I'm like, what? Let me show you how I'm gonna pick it up. It's so cute, isn't it? It's the cutest cage ever. It's like, what? He's gonna be able to see everything. You're gonna be following the whole journey of me taking him home and setting him up. See you in a bit. I got my little son just now. He's so adorable. He's so scared. Oh, poor thing. And he's shivering. It's so cold right now. So now we're taking him home and I'm gonna show you. When we take him home, probably he's gonna be very scared, but I will document everything for you guys. So cute, little Kovi, so beautiful. We just picked him up and we're traveling home. I put the t-shirt in because it's very cold and I think he was freezing. He's meowing quite a lot, but it's normal as he just left his mom. He's only 12 weeks old. Oh no, he's 8 weeks old. He's 8 weeks old, so 2 months old, and poor thing. He's probably quite sad. He's so adorable. My little son, Kovi. So we just got him home and he's getting used to his little house. He's so adorable. He's so scared, so we're gonna let him be for a second. Oh, he likes his house. So this is Kovi, guys. He's now more happy to be here. And he's so cute. Look at him. Look at his face. So this is the second day that he's home. And I think he is rather happy to be here. He likes us. And he's been pooping normally. He's been eating normally. So I think everything is good. And he's so adorable. So, update on this little one. I got him this feeding bowl with the water fountain. I'm not sure if he's actually using the water fountain. I just replace the dirty water every day as he sometimes steps in it. And this is his dry food bowl and then the wet food bowl. Over here I have his toilet. I'll be moving soon in a couple of months, so I will be moving this probably to the bathroom in the new place, but since I live here with other people, I just keep it in my room. I still haven't put the top, but I will definitely do that once he grows a little bit bigger, because now he can't really push the door because he's tiny. And this is the litter that I'm using. It's 100% natural, eco green cat litter. It's basically this one here. It's a grain based. How cute he is, Kovi. He's so adorable. He loves this litter. And oh, hey. Oh, he's pooping. And I got this to clean his poop. It's quite cute. It's like £3, I think, from Amazon. Yeah. I'm looking forward to Kovi growing up. I mean, he's 2 months old now and he is so tiny and so cute, and I can't wait for him to grow even bigger. He's so lovely, guys. I hope you enjoyed my journey to get him, to take him home. It's been, I think, whole week. It's been a whole week since we got him home, and he's now used to us, and he's so adorable. I can't even explain you how much I appreciate that he joined my house. Kovi. Playful. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like Kovi, just write it in the comments below. It makes me very happy that I see that other people love him as much as I do. And yeah, subscribe and like this video for more to come.